Welcome to 23428/Pine Court here in the Meadowbrook Community. With low HOAs, we are here in Estero, Florida. This beautiful, bright, and warm and welcoming home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage with a pool and spa. You're going to love the lush vegetation and the privacy hedges around this property. But let's go in and take a look. As you enter the home, you cannot help to notice the outdoor pool and spa area. But let's take a look around first. This bright and warm home offers an open floor plan with tiles and hardwood floors throughout. The space is perfect for a large family and for entertaining. The owner's suite offers 2 walk-in closets, and the owner's suite bathrooms offer a walk-in shower and a soaking tub. Welcome to your very own oasis. With this beautiful heated pool and spa in an enclosed lanai, you can enjoy the Southwest Florida weather all year long with your family and friends. This lovely home is conveniently located close to all. The International Fort Myers Airport is only a 20-minute drive. If you love shopping, the Miramar Outlets and the Coconut Outdoor Mall is only a 5-minute drive, which offers shopping, dining, movie theater for your enjoyment. If you love the outdoors, you're close to a state park. Barefoot Beach, one of the best beaches in Southwest Florida, is only a 15-minute drive, and not far is also a dog-friendly beach. If you're a golf lover, well, Estero is home to many private and public golf courses to choose from. This area truly has so much to offer. I'm Josephine Perilli with MVP Realty. You can contact me at 239-220-6844. Thank you so much for watching.